Hi y'all, woohoo from Texas Harris here. Gonna be watching a big truck tear up the curbs here at Walmart. Let's see how good a job he does. And right over the curb he goes. Well, you knew that was coming. That right there explains why they put those huge boulders right there next to the curbs and stuff at Walmart's, is they keep big trucks from running them over. They don't do no damn good though, right, Hershey? I know, right? He's having his morning coffee, y'all. Don't disturb him. All right, well, woohoo from Texas Harris here. The tornado sirens were going off earlier. Scared the crap out of me. Right in the middle of a conversation with my wife, and come to find out, I think they were just testing them. But after all the big storms and everything that come through last night, I'm looking around like, okay, where's this tornado? Where's the storm? What's going on? And as you can see, it's just blue freaking sky. You know, ain't no tornadoes around here. Still, look, it scared the crap out of me though. All right, woohoo from Texas Harris. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.